When a garage door cable breaks, chaos can ensue, turning safety into a significant concern. Imagine the heavy doors suddenly collapsing, placing your loved ones at risk or causing property damage. Garage door cables play a critical role, lifting the weight of the door with precision and care. Over time, normal wear can lead to fraying and ultimately snapping, disrupting the entire system's balance. The humid Dallas climate adds additional stress, causing rust that further weakens garage door cables. Recognizing the warning signs, like a crooked door or sudden slamming, can prevent serious injuries and costly repairs. Attempting a DIY fix may seem tempting, but the dangers of high tension make it highly risky. Experienced technicians follow a careful process, ensuring safety by relieving spring tension before replacements. In bustling Dallas, scheduling regular maintenance keeps garage doors functioning and minimizes unexpected breakdowns. Don't underestimate the importance of a well-functioning garage door. Safety and convenience go hand in hand.